Hi there. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use logical operators in PHP 7. So we are going to take a look at AND operator, OR operator and NOT operator. So AND gives you value of true only when all the input that you pass are true. If there is one false and one true, then you will find output leads to false. In case of OR, one of the input needs to be true for it to return true. Okay, so these are AND and OR, and in case of NOT, the operation is very easy. Any value that you give it to condition, it will check whether it's equal to that or not. So let's say if I have variable x with value 50, and if I checked with NOT operator if that value is 90 or 70, then it should return true or false. So we'll take a look at how to check for those operators in our program. Okay, so first thing, create one example.php file in your text editor, then create a starting and ending tags for your PHP file. Okay, and here create one variable named, let's say, x equals to 50, and then y equals to 40. Now first I'm going to take a look at our AND operator, and here I am checking if x is equal to 50 and y equals to 40. If this condition is true, then it will echo AND operation success. Okay, you can also add some break in between. Okay, then next is OR operator. So we are going to check the condition if x is equal to 40 or y equals to 40. So in this case, as you can see, one is false and one is true, so it should return us the value for OR operation. So OR operation success. The next part is to check our NOT operation. So for that, let's try to find out if x not equals to 80, which should return true, and here we have NOT operation. Okay, so this is a simple example for our AND operator, OR and NOT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open browser, and here I'm going to reload the browser. As you can see, I already have this output from my previously executed code, so I'm going to refresh that, and you see AND operation success, OR operation success, and NOT operation. So it shows the output exactly the way we want it. In our first condition, we checked whether x is equals to 50, which is true, then y is equal to 40, which is again true, and using AND operation ensures that it will return the echo. If it turns out that one of the input is false here, then it will check for else condition, or it will move ahead. Okay, so it will not output the first line. It will only echo that part if the condition is true. And in case of OR, you will find that it needs to have either one of the input to be true to execute our code. So we get OR operation success message. Then we have NOT operation, which I checked with a value of 80. Okay, so if I checked with 50, then it will again check for else condition or throw an error. So you get the idea of how to use AND operator, OR operator and NOT operator in your PHP 7 code.